What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video today. And today we will be cleaning out and restoring the interior of the 2013 Genesis Coupe. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more. And let's go ahead and get on with today's agenda. So the update on the Genesis is, unfortunately, it passed really easy. There's not really much wrong with it, but as you can see, this is the car. I guess you could say it's revealed in its first state that I put on the channel. Car runs great. We've done the mission. The only thing we have left to get this car really going and drivable is honestly just to clean out the dirty interior. Changed out the condenser. I guess that was part of the update I made in one of the videos, but we do need to add some Freon so we can have some cold going AC. Hopefully that can might just be enough. Other than that, here goes the car. No longer at the shop, at the house. Not gonna record too much, but yeah, here it is. Watch the last video. You can pretty much see there's a lot of junk left in the car. Very dirty. In the inside, and it has a weird funky smell to it, pretty sure from the previous owner, obviously. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get this cleaned out as best as we can. First step is gonna be using this vacuum here to get out all the debris, all the dust, everything out as clean as possible out of the car. And then next we have a Basel, this is a spot remover for pets, but it's great for cleaning out and shampooing interiors for cars. I also have one extra bowl, and I have me a drill that has an attachment of a brush. So when you spray the seats down, you can be a little bit abrasive to try to release and uplift the dirt that is stuck on the car for a better clean. First step, we're gonna go ahead and clean out the car. I'm gonna give you guys a nice, good time lapse. Ready? Go. Look, man, deer and antelope. deer and antelope. My boy was out here with the pack. We've gotten everything out of the car. Now it's about ready to be vacuumed. We got all the major big components that the vacuum would not be able to suck up. So next will be the vacuuming process. This car is really dirty. Let me show you guys the trunk. So trunk is this. We took out the carpet, had a couple leaves, it had a whole lot of stuff in there. I want to say it's the worst thing in the world, but it's definitely dirty. This is bags of components and stuff on the floor that we might possibly be able to reuse that are on the bag. We also got some new Genesis badges for just the front. We're not going to put anything in the rear because it doesn't have anything up there. Kind of looks empty, spaced on the front bumper. But yeah. Next part that we're going to be doing now is going to be the vacuuming process. So we're going to make a nice little time lapse so you guys can see the before and after of what it's going to look like when done. Alright guys, we're back. Everything in the car we have went ahead and vacuumed out. We haven't even started on the process of cleaning. I need to make a little touch-up spot. I accidentally brought some dust in, but compared to what it was before, man, this is amazing. We still got the cup holder to clean. We have some all-purpose in there to pull up some of the debris that's stuck in that cup. We're gonna wipe that out. But the next step is definitely to start using our extractor machine and our drill to clean out the rest of this interior. So we'll get to it on that. Also, you guys probably saw on the last slide, but or a couple slides before that, but we went ahead and started detailing and cleaning out the panels and the dash and things of that nature, even down to the seats. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is probably the dirtiest car I have ever cleaned. This was once pure white, and it is so dingy right now from just cleaning panels, and it reeks. Why? All right, so this is the plastic, the extractor that we used. I just have some of the Basel branded spot cleaner that you can buy from Walmart. Pour it in here. Once you start it, it has a button that you start, and it sprays out the liquid onto the carpet or upholstery you're trying to clean. My drill I will use first before sucking up the stuff with the vacuum to, you know, bring up the debris, and you'll be seeing that soon. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, if you guys can see this is exactly why I love using that drill here to clean it. It is literally night and day difference. This left side is the one that's clean, and then this right side has not been used. Well, not been cleaned out. Big difference, and nothing has been extracted out of the carpet yet. So we'll continue on with our time lapse. Just did all the carpets for the floor mats, or the floor mat carpets. We're doing the inside. It's getting really dark. I'm gonna try to document as much as I can on the inside. I'm gonna bring a bright light out here so you guys can pretty much try to see what's going on, because it's very dark, very dark out here. So guys, I just filled this thing all the way up using the extractor, and yeah, it's very dirty, very brown. I'm not gonna record anymore because it's really dark, so I'm just trying to hurry up and finish, and I'll show you guys the results when it's daylight out. that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, please leave a comment. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and then we will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and give me your